Let me show you guys the most easiest and most cost-effective way to make your own chocolate pudding at home. That literally only costs like $13 for this big batch, and you get 20 servings, 4 ounces each for about 65 cents a serving. Okay, let's get started. Mix together all your dry ingredients and then pour on your milk and whisk until there is no chunks. You're going to cook this on medium-low heat until it starts to thicken. And then you're going to do something that is called tempering the eggs. So you're going to mix together your egg yolks and your milk, and then you're going to very slowly whisk in the hot chocolate pudding. This is called tempering the eggs because you are not trying to cook the eggs, you're just trying to heat it up to the temperature that the pudding is at. Then once you have whisked it all together, you're going to pour it back onto the stove and you're going to heat it until it thickens again. Make sure that you're constantly whisking because you do not want to scorch the bottom of your pan with the pudding. To know when this pudding is done, you're going to lift up your spoon and run your finger through the pudding on your spoon. And if it doesn't run down the line you just created on your spoon, then your pudding is ready. So the very last thing you're going to want to do is run the pudding through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl just to make sure that you capture any possible cooked eggs so that it doesn't end up in your pudding. And as you can see, I placed a little bit of saran wrap over the surface of my pudding before I placed it in the fridge to prevent a layer of see-through skin from forming over the surface of the pudding. It's just not aesthetically pleasing, but it's not going to hurt you. Okay, so once you have completely chilled your pudding in the fridge, just place them in an airtight container in your fridge, or put them in little snack-sized containers and they're ready to pack in your kids' school box lunches. If you want to save this recipe, the full written version will be written down below. And as always, thanks for watching, you guys. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for future upcoming videos and recipes such as this one. Take care until next time. Bye!